Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make these beautiful ritual style earrings, and I used size 10 seed beads, but you can use any size of bead that you'd like, and also you can use any color. I used yellow, light orange, orange, black, and red beads, and of course you need your earring hooks, your thread, and your needle. So start by picking 12 black beads. Pull them towards the end of your thread. Now pass your needle back through all the 12 beads. Tie a double knot. Cut off the extra tail of thread and melt off the frayed ends. Now pass the needle through one bead and pick one yellow, 3 light orange, and one yellow bead. Skip one bead and pass the needle through the next bead. Next, pick one yellow, 3 light orange, and one yellow bead, and skip the next bead and pass your needle through the next bead. Skip one bead, pass your needle through the next bead. Pick one yellow, 3 light orange, and one yellow bead. Skip one bead and pass the needle through the next bead. Okay, now the process is the same. Just repeat until you get to the end. Okay, now pass your needle through the yellow and light orange bead. Pick 3 orange beads and skip the middle light orange bead and pass your needle through the next bead. Pick one black bead, pass your needle through the second bead, which is the first yellow orange bead. Sorry, light orange bead. Pick 3 orange beads, skip the middle bead and pass the needle through the next bead. Pick one black bead, pass your needle through the second bead. Now repeat until you get to the end. Okay, now pass your needle through the two orange beads. So pass your needle through the two orange beads so that we can start working on the next step. Now pick 7 black beads and pass the needle through the middle orange bead. So pass your needle through the middle orange bead, and you'll do that through this step, picking 7 black beads and passing your needle through the middle orange beads. So that's it. Now pass your needle through the 2 black beads. Okay, now pick 2 red beads, 1 yellow and 2 red beads, and pass your needle through the second last black bead. So that's it. Now repeat doing that by picking 2 red beads, 1 yellow and 2 red beads, and passing a needle through the second black bead. Now repeat. Okay, so uh, now pass your needle through 2 red beads. Pass your needle through the 2 red beads, and pick 3 red beads. Skip the yellow bead and pass your needle through the next red bead. Now pick 1 black bead, pass the needle through the second red bead. Okay, now repeat. Now we want to make a loop for the hook. So pass your needle through the 2 red beads, and to make the loop, pick 6 black beads, pass your needle back through the middle red bead, and that's it. Cut off the extra thread, melt off the frayed ends, place your earring hooks, and we are done. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.